up. 10-day ultimatum to return Bolt's money ends. Sprint legend speaks on what's next. Still no decision. Education Minister still awaiting decision on embattled CPFSA CEO Rosalie Gage-Gray. And Seaforth High School body tense as investigation into financial breaches continue.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. It may become a little easier for Jamaicans to have access to financing to put in place solar systems. I'll tell you why, because of a major partnership a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan. Jordan, what do you have coming up in sports?
Well, Herman, we'll have more reaction from sprint legend Usain Bolt in the saga involving his account at SSL in a primetime sports later on.
And from Jordan, guess who's here, Herman? Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the stationary front is still across the Western Caribbean, but we are expecting an increase in rainfall activity across the Jamaica area this weekend. There's a drop in wind speeds as well.
All right. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what has been your experience trying to settle an outstanding traffic ticket?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.